Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting a clean, high-resolution image. Aim for 1920 x 1080 or larger so Windows can scale without blurring. Once you have the file, open it in Paint, Photos, or GIMP to crop to 16:9 ratio and check composition. Place the subject off-center if you want space for the clock. Save an exported JPG at 80–90% quality to balance file size and clarity. Make a backup of your current lock screen before changing settings. Now you head into Settings and select Personalization, then Lock Screen. Choose Picture rather than Windows Spotlight and click Browse to pick the exported JPG you prepared. This ensures the same image appears every time. Make sure Show Lock Screen Background Picture on the sign-in screen is enabled so the image displays on sign-in too. Once selected, lock your PC to preview. If the crop or alignment is off, go back and tweak the image and re-export at the same resolution. To finish, lock your PC and inspect how the image aligns with the clock and notifications. If it appears blurred, re-export at higher resolution or 100% quality, then reapply. If the lock screen keeps reverting to Spotlight or Windows defaults, switch your background to Picture and turn off Spotlight. That forces the custom image. If you hit permission errors or no change, run Settings with administrative rights, sign out and sign back in, or restart Explorer. These steps clear cache and apply the new lock screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.